So you're an AI user. Are you getting everything out of your AI that you think you should? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we help businesses grow their profits, accelerate their productivity, and build robust scale in their business. And now, especially, we're emphasizing the tremendous opportunity that's available with AI and the new technology and the new opportunity that that brings to you and your business. The problem is, so many people are using AI and they're just not getting stuff out of it that they want. And they say, oh, it just doesn't work. Well, I'm going to suggest that there's a couple of problems. First, a lot of people will tell you, well, that's because you need to be a prompt engineer. Horse hockey. You don't need to be a prompt engineer, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But you do need to give it proper context. It's really vital. And the only way you get what you need out of AI, and I would argue that the reason you're not getting what you need out of AI is because it doesn't have the proper context. It doesn't know what it's really talking about. It doesn't understand anything. Again, it's a prediction engine. Generative AI is great at predicting the next word, but if it doesn't know the context for the sentence that it's creating, the words can go anywhere. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about is prompt engineering. And prompt engineering is kind of an interesting word, and it used to be really important, but it's not required that you become a prompt engineer as long as you set the context properly. If you'd like to learn more, I'd be happy to chat with you about it. The link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.